still around to love? What if I'm still looking for that love, the love that heats my blood? I can see right through you when there's nothing on the other side. I fight with these thoughts every night.